Which will be the next one? What do you think? We had talked about morning star. Now we are going to talk about evening star. Okay. The last type of candles which we are going to do is evening star. If you remember, maybe on day one only, I told you that there will be like whatever number of candles patterns. You find easily 50, 100, whatever. And every day people will be even innovative that this type of candle is also one type of candle. People love to be scientists. Okay. But if we just go on learning different candles, we'll not even understand which one is to be used. So I've chosen top 6, which I find useful. Okay. Out of the top 6, we are done with 5. Which were the 5? Last one. First, we talked about bullish engulfing, followed by bearish engulfing. We are doing pairs now. Then we talked about hammer, inverted hammer, pair, morning star, evening star. Who can tell me what a morning star looked like? Don't look into the notes and try to tell. Yes. Big or small? Ideally? Okay. Ideally a little bit big. Okay. Very good. Big or small? Ideally big. So this third candle being big is important, more important. This could be either small or big. The last candle should be a big green candle, because that's where the power of bulls is reviving. Correct, na? Is this a bullish? Is it going to turn bullish or is it going to turn bearish after a morning star? Bullish. Again, remember it, the word only, na? Morning. Chala. Surya dokyavar ala. So when we are talking about a morning star, ideally sunrise, you can try to remember something like this, sunrise. So on that note, it will be a bullish one. If I talk about an evening star, chala, ata zopaila. So evening star is going to be ideally a bearish trend, right? So who can tell me how an evening star will look like? Very good. Small green, or could be a big green also, but small green, good. Next, a doji, followed by a big red candle. The size of the wicks is not important. The body of the candle is important. It should be a big red candle. So can you tell me, is this a big red candle or not, which I am drawing? Big red candle. No. What needs to be big? The wick or the body? The body has to be big. Is this also understood? Yes. So you can write down the next one as evening star. The last candle that we are going to study. Evening star. Yes, it is. Color of the doji candle is very important. Oh, okay. Of the doji candle, no, doji candle is not important. I thought you were talking about first and third candle important. Doji can be anything. See, doji is what, if you remember, one word for doji was? Indecisive. So anyways, neither the bulls have won nor the bears have won. So it could be also green or it could be red. Doji color does not matter. Okay. Shall we start? Write down evening star candle. How is it formed? It is formed by, it is formed when a green candle is followed by what? A doji candle, which is then followed by what? Big bearish candle, which is then followed by a big bearish candle. Last point. This will be most powerful. Very good. This will be most powerful when it is formed. Be most powerful when it is formed at the end of what? End of an uptrend. Have you understood this? Yes. That's where we are done with all 6 patterns of candles. Everyone okay? Last time tell me which 6? Bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, hammer, inverted hammer, and morning star, evening star. Ekdam okay? No problem. For those who are watching online, we are going to stop and then you can continue with the next lecture.